Welcome to Balsamiq Mockups 3, your new favorite wireframing tool. Let me show you around by building an application you may be familiar with. I'll start by grabbing a window control and giving it a name. I'll resize it and customize it a bit. Balsamiq Mockups 3 has over 75 built-in controls for all kinds of user interfaces. Next, I'll add an image placeholder for the album art. Now I'll add some text. Notice how it snaps into place at preset distances from other objects. Controls also automatically align when positioned close to other controls. In addition to specific UI controls, there are also some generic ones, like this geometric shape control. I'll use the duplicate shortcut to create another button and change the label. I think I'm going to make this first one stand out a little bit more. I'll make it green and add an icon. Balsamiq Mockups comes with over 500 icons from the Font Awesome icon set. Now I want to add a track list. I'll add a data grid control and resize it. I'll grab some text that I prepared in advance. Columns in a data grid are defined by separating text with commas. Now for some fine-tuning, changing the inside borders, spacing things out a bit. And I'll show the first row as selected and add a scroll bar. I think I'll add an image for the album art to give it a little bit more pizzazz. I can choose from images that I've already imported, get one from the web, or just drag and drop from my computer. Balsamiq Mockups 3 also allows you to create symbols, which are groups of controls that you can reuse across your mockups. Here are some that I created earlier. These custom controls show up in the user interface library just like the rest. You can also download pre-built symbols that other people have created for things like Android, iOS, and Bootstrap. When you duplicate a control multiple times, Balsamiq Mockups uses the same spacing to help anticipate where you want it. I'll move the last one down a bit and then space them out evenly to get them just where I want them. Double-clicking on a symbol allows me to edit it. I'll add the album art here too. When I make a change, it updates everywhere that symbol is used. There's a faster way to add controls to your mockup called Quick Add. Just type a few letters of the control you want and hit Enter to add. You can even press Shift and Enter to add it right where your mouse cursor is. You can even search for icons using Quick Add. Now I'll select these and right-click to bring up a menu to align them. I can nudge the group using my arrow keys, and there we go. With Balsamiq Mockups 3, you can easily wireframe desktop apps, websites, mobile apps, and more. Switch to the wireframe skin for a more polished look and feel. Link your mockups together and use full screen mode for presentations or usability testing. Balsamiq Mockups comes in desktop, web, and plugin versions. Download a free trial today. Happy wireframing!